Python libraries often provide documentation to help users understand their functionalities and how to use them effectively. Here are a few popular Python libraries and their respective documentation. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Pandas. Documentation. Pandas documentation https://pandas.pydata.org/pandas-doc/stable. Overview, comprehensive documentation for data manipulation and analysis with pandas. Includes detailed explanations of data structures, functions, and methods. Scan the QR code for online documents. 2. NumPy. Documentation, NumPy documentation. https://numpy.org/doc. Overview, provides documentation for numerical computing with arrays and matrices. Includes explanations of array manipulation, mathematical operations, and linear algebra. Scan the QR code for online documents. 3. Matplotlib. Documentation, Matplotlib documentation. https://matplotlib.org/stable/contents.html. Scan the QR code for online documents. Overview, documentation for creating visualizations and plots. Covers various types of plots, customization options, and usage examples. 4. TensorFlow. Documentation, TensorFlow documentation. https://www.tensorflow.org/api_docs/python. Overview, detailed documentation for TensorFlow, a machine learning library. Includes API references, guides, tutorials, and examples for building and training neural networks. Scan the QR code for online documents. 5. Scikit-learn. Documentation, Scikit-learn documentation. https://scikit-learn.org/stable/documentation.html. Overview, documentation for Scikit-learn, a machine learning library focusing on traditional supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Provides user guides, API reference, and examples. Scan the QR code for online documents. 6. Django. Documentation, Django documentation. https://docs.djangoproject.com/n/stable. Scan the QR code for online documents. Overview, official documentation for Django, a high-level web framework. Covers everything from basic setup to advanced features, including tutorials, API reference, and best practices. 7. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. Documentation, NLTK documentation. https://www.nltk.org. Scan the QR code for online documents. Overview, documentation for NLTK, a library for natural language processing. Includes tutorials, guides, and documentation for various NLP tasks. 8. Flask. Documentation, Flask documentation. https://flask.palettesprojects.com/n/2.0.x/. Overview, documentation for Flask, a lightweight web framework. Contains guides, API reference, and examples for building web applications and APIs. Scan the QR code for online documents. These libraries typically have comprehensive documentation available online, offering explanations, examples, and references to help users understand the library's capabilities and use them effectively in their projects. Thanks.